If you're wondering how to delete in Fotor, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to remove elements, text, layers, and uploaded photos inside Fotor so you can clean up your design fast and work more efficiently. Whether you want to delete something from your canvas or clear images from the right panel, this guide will make it simple. Before we jump in, if this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. It really helps support the channel and lets you know when a new guide is uploaded. Alright, let's get started. First, let's look at how to delete an element, text box, shape, or layer directly from the canvas. This is the fastest method when you want to remove something from your design. Go ahead and click directly on the object you want to delete. That could be an image, a text box, a shape, or any other element on your canvas. Once it's selected, you'll usually see a highlighted border around it so you know it's active. Now that the item is selected, press the delete key on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, you can also use the Backspace key depending on your setup. In most cases, this will instantly remove the selected item from your design. If you prefer using the on-screen controls, Fotor also gives you another option. Look for the floating context menu that appears above the selected object. On that menu, click the trash can icon to delete it. This is especially useful if you're editing multiple layers and want a quick way to remove one item without using your keyboard. Just remember, if you delete something by accident, you may be able to undo it right away using the undo option, so don't worry if you make a mistake. Now let's move on to the second method, which is deleting current uploaded photos from the right panel. If you've imported multiple images into Fotor, they often appear in a panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can manage your active photos and remove the ones you no longer need. To delete one photo, look at the right panel and find the thumbnail of the image you want to remove. Move your mouse over that thumbnail, and you should see a trash can icon in the top right corner of the image card. Click that icon and Fotor will remove that uploaded photo from the panel. If you want to delete all currently opened images at once, Fotor also makes that easy. At the bottom of the right panel, look for the Clear All option with the trash can icon. Click Clear All and it will remove all of the images that are currently open in that panel. This is perfect when you want to start fresh and clean up your workspace quickly. So just to recap, if you want to delete something on the canvas, click the object and press Delete or Backspace, or use the trash can icon in the floating menu. And if you want to remove uploaded photos, use the trash can icon on the thumbnail in the right panel, or click Clear All to remove everything at once. That's how to delete in Fotor using both methods. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step app guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more Fotor tips and tricks in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.